young, dumb, and blue.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an old-fashioned secret that I want to share with you, and that entails using organic garlic. So if that sounds like something you want to find out, keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video. Finish stringing the garlic. Now I'm just going to use a scissors to remove the needle. So ladies, now you would go ahead and insert the garlic into your vagina, making sure the thread is outside like a tampon. Go to bed and let the garlic work overnight. Then pull the thread out gently and the garlic will follow. This will treat the infection effectively and quickly. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.